Hi guys, in this video I will be removing my 5-week-old knotless braids. So if you're interested in seeing that process, keep on watching. So as I said, I will be unraveling and just removing these braids. I've had them in for 5 weeks. As you can tell, there is new growth just within those 5 weeks. Hair grows an inch or two a month, so I am thankful that I was able to retain the length. So let us take down these braids. So what I'm going to do first is just go through each section, and I will be cutting the braid, making sure, obviously I can see where my hair stops because it is frizzy, so I will just cut, then unravel. So that is pretty much what I'm going to be doing for the rest of my hair, so keep on watching. The back section is completed, and the good thing is that I washed my hair, well, at least my scalp, while I had these braids in, so my hair isn't completely filled with buildup. As you can see, there is no buildup on my strands, but my scalp is dirty once again. So I'm going to continue doing these off camera, and although it is sad to see these braids that I did on myself go, I'm happy to have my natural hair. So when I'm finished, I will meet you in the shower where I will show you my wash process. Alrighty guys, so I'm now in the shower, and what I'll do per usual is rinse my hair with warm water just to open up that cuticle. Then when I'm ready to shampoo my hair, I will be back to show you what shampoo I'll be using. I am finished now. As you can see, my hair is fully drenched. So what I'm going to be using to shampoo my hair is this shampoo from Camilo's Naturals, and I find it to be a really cleansing shampoo, and my hair does feel sticky from the gel I would have used to smooth out my hair while installing the braids. So I just want a really nice clean, so that is why I'm going to be using this shampoo. It's not setting up as much because there is still product residue on my hair, but the second wash should have more suds. So I will continue that process all over my hair, then I'll be back to show you what I'll use to deep condition. Alrighty, so now my hair is washed, and I just put it in 3 sections to make it a tad bit easier. The next step I'm going to do is deep conditioning with this one from Dr. Miracles. A favorite of mine, so that is what I will be doing. It says to leave on for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse with warm water. or for extra hydration or better results, use a clear plastic cap and sit under a dryer for 10 to 15 minutes. So I will put the deep conditioner in my hair and I will wait 15 minutes with a plastic cap on and let the heat from the shower do its magic on my hair. So that's what I will be doing, and I'll be back with the finished results. So as you saw just a while ago, it's a runny consistency, and that is one of the reasons why I love this deep conditioner. It is not thick at all and a little goes a long way. So I'm going to wet my hair and I'm going to apply this to this section and the other two. So you will see a montage of that. So as you can see, my hair has really drunk up most of the deep conditioner. So I'm going to rinse it out and then I'll end the video. Alrighty, so I am back, and I would usually add a leave-in conditioner in the shower, but this time I'm not going to, and you'll find out why in the next video, which will be me doing a wash and go with the Big Papa. So if you're interested in seeing that video, definitely stay tuned, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, definitely leave a like, and if you want to see more content from me, subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me, and share this video with someone who is interested in braid takedown process but has no idea where to start. Definitely send this video to them, or send this video to someone who is just interested in natural hair content. And while you're at it, check out videos that will pop up on your screen if you're interested in seeing more content from me, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.